Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for a brand new vlog. I am currently waiting to go around my cousin's house. It's a Friday evening, they've just had their first baby. She's called Myla. I'm going to check with them if they're happy for me to put her on YouTube before I video her. But if they are happy, you'll see her soon, but she's just the cutest little baby ever. So that'd be so nice seeing them. And then tomorrow I've got quite a nice day. I'm going out with my cousin in the morning for a walk in Leigh-on-Sea, and then probably going to go, no, not going around Charlie's straight away. Charlie's is at like 6 PM because it's her sister's 30th birthday party, but it's a surprise, so she doesn't know it's happening. So that'd be nice. So yeah, quite a wholesome, nice weekend, not too chaotic, but still seeing people and doing things. So I thought I may as well vlog, because it's nice just to have the memories there as well, isn't it? And I've got it all on camera for other people to watch back as well. So yeah, that's it really. I'm going to vlog a few days. I'll see how long I go on for. I am going away with my friends next weekend to Norfolk, so that'll be a separate vlog on its own. So we'll just see where we get up to with this one basically. So come along with me for a wholesome few days. This is Myla.
Oh look.
Having her bot-bots. Staring at me. Most beautiful girl in the world. Lucas was found dead in the river in Victoria Park on Wednesday the 15th of April. Myla!
Myla, look.
Myla! Look at her. Myla, why aren't you good at burp? Why are you not burping?
He's normally good at burping, I know.
Hey? Hey? I don't know. You don't want what happened earlier when you was in pain. Oh.
They should treat Jay.
Oh, she can do what she wants. I was just giving birth. Myla. We're in Leigh. We've come to, what is this place called? Corner Club. Corner Club with Chloe. We've come for a nice walk in Leigh and with Chloe. Hello. It's her first time on the YouTube channel, so not sure what to say. We don't know what to say for the vlog, but look how beautiful it is. I'll zoom in on the boats. So nice. Hello. This cat just come running over from the other side of the road to us. Hey. What are you doing? Where's it gone?
Oh, it's laying down.
Oh. You laying? Oh. Hello. Where's your owner? Say hello. This is Bo. Hello. Bless her. She's quite happy just chilling up here. Yeah, she has, isn't she? We're in the bar. We're in the bar at the back of Charlie's house. Let's fly away, drive away, take a holiday. Do what you want me, baby. Go on then, a bit of lemon. Thank you. A bit of soda water. Thank you, Charlie. You're welcome. There you go. Thank you. Make yourself one. Yeah. It is London Marathon Day. We've come to see summer running. We've got all the posters. Charlie, say hello.
Hello.
I feel like the exposure's a little bit too high actually. It's a bit sunny today.
It's quite bright, isn't it?
I know. Maybe it'll be alright on the computer afterwards.
Yeah. You've got to film the queues. It's absolutely absolutely chaotic everywhere.
The queues are very, very busy here for the tubes, but we're going to walk to Tower Hill after. We're currently trying to find a pub to go for a week because me and Storm are busting.
Absolutely busting.
And there's no
going down the side road.
No, literally just anywhere people can't see us, to be honest, because yeah, there's no pub in sight at the moment, no toilet in sight. But yeah, it should be a lovely day. I'll take you along with us and try and film as much as I can.
I'm excited.
We've got our first drinks of the day. Cheers. 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 I didn't do a cheers, that was really awkward. Cheers. Harriet.
I'm very hungover right now.
My mum said to me this morning, she went, "Is Harriet hungover?"
That is so funny.
Charlie, here up for him. They must be sweating. We are just walking to meet Summer at Blackfriars now. So how long do we walk for? 50 minutes? 45 minutes?
I think it's like a 45-50 minute walk total.
Yeah, from where we was originally like see her, which was at Bermondsey. And then at Blackfriars, she is, what, 26 miles in?
24 miles, I think, so like really close to the end.
Yeah, 24 miles in.
She like loops all around Canary Wharf way and then comes back to us, so we actually finish like near the end.
Yeah, and she's currently at Canary Wharf, so we've got plenty of time to get there and see her.
We're only 20 minutes away.
Yeah, we're 20 minutes away from Blackfriars, gonna have a drink there.
I feel a bit tipsy.
Yeah, we've got buzz balls. Oh my god, our first time trying them, and they're 13% alcohol. They don't taste very nice, so it tastes very sweet. But yeah, we're really excited to see her again. We just had to run for our life from the pub in Blackfriars because we all got distracted talking to everyone. I'm so out of breath because we ran for about 15 minutes, so I don't know how they've been running for hours and hours, and we've struggled to do that. But we're about to see her. We've made it in time, thank God. Keep going! You're doing so well! Summer, keep going! Hello vlog, it is now a Wednesday afternoon. I've taken Doodles out for a walk on my lunch break. Currently working from home today. I think I'm going to be working from home tomorrow as well actually. Then Friday I've got annual leave. So I'm going up to Norfolk with the girls. So that'll be a separate YouTube vlog for that. So I'll just bring you along with me for my last couple of days before I go to Norfolk really. Today is a really exciting day because my new car got delivered, which I'm so happy about. I finally have my independence back of a car. I'm just so excited to not have to rely on people for lifts anymore. So once I get in it this evening, I'll show you around. I'm just so excited to have it. It's gonna make my life so much easier. Yeah, and then in my next video, it'll be Norfolk. So this is exciting. We've got a good couple of vlogs coming up now. But I'm just with Doodle Bums. He loves his walkies at lunch with me. Do you love your walks? Yeah? This tree is lovely, isn't it? A bit windy. I'm so happy right now because I'm in my new car with my new nails. Look how nice they look. I love this colour. It's that mermaid colour. But yeah, this is my new car. I love her so much. I'm just so happy to be driving again now.
Birthday for Laurie when she was 1. Lenny, you was a baby, wasn't you? No.
Lenny would have been
No,
a baby.
Lenny's fine.
Wait, when? Hello.
Lenny, not
Say hello to the
Lenny.
vlog.
Jimmy.
No, Jimmy was the same. She was the same age as
Say hello
Laurie.
to the vlog.
Hi.
Doodle, say hello. Oh, my boy.
Hello.
No, it wasn't like we're going out or anything.
Little kids.
Is it focused?
Yeah.
Little Milo in the garden. She's just chilled, isn't she? It's like she's sunbathing with her arm out.
Yes.
There's
Wind's going down there, isn't it?
It has.
Yes.
No. Oh, it's another little bubba in the family.
Oh, lovely
Are you jealous?
Diddy Bums.
Are you so jealous?
Oh,
Are you so
sorry,
jealous? Honestly, didn't I?
That's from Marlo. You've met Marlo, haven't you? You've met Marlo? A little cuckoo.
Oh, look at her all cozy.
She's smiling at me.
Is she?
Yeah.
She's got a bit of wind.
I know she is. I always think it smiles. I don't even say it's about wind.
Yeah, but I think it is. Unless she just knows you now then.
I don't do bumps. I'm not funny. No, I don't.
Oh, Laurie.
She's so cozy there.
Oh. Beautiful.
Good morning everyone. It is Friday morning. I'm on annual leave today from work and I'm going up to Norfolk with my friends, so I'm very excited for this. Should be a nice change of scenery, like a bit of fresh air. I think they've got a beach nearby as well actually. Oh my god, my hay fever. Keeps making my nose tingle and then makes my eyes water. It's so annoying. It's just this eye, I don't know why. I'm going to get a lash lift now actually, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to look a lot better once my lashes are lifted again. I haven't had a lash lift since Bali, so about 4 months ago now. So I'm very excited. I'll take you along with me for Norfolk, but it'll be in a different vlog. So I'll just finish this vlog up today, get my lash lift, show you what it's like after. I'll probably pack my car up and then end it here really. Actually, will I? I have got Sunday and Monday. It's bank holiday Monday. Maybe I'll carry it on, we'll see. I'm just in Costa, look how cute this is. You pay £1 charity and you get a mystery book. Female one. Just made myself some egg on toast. I'm gonna eat it whilst I watch YouTube. I've got my Costa. I've got my mystery book. Should I open it now actually? Okay, I'm gonna open my mystery book from Costa. Hopefully it's not one that I've already read or one that I'm really not interested in. No way! I read this when I was a child and I was thinking about this book the other day. That is so freaky. Oh my god, I was literally thinking about this book the other day because this is a book that I read when I was younger. And then I gave it to my friend when we went on holiday and then we got robbed on holiday and they took the book and I was thinking about it the other day. It's called Ghost Girl. It's tragic, like really, really awful story, so I won't be reading that again. That's really freaked me out. I just need to come back on here because I've just remembered that the girl that I gave this book to when I was younger, who I went on holiday with, like with her and her family, her little sister, I haven't seen her for probably, God, 10 years, at least, like more than 10 years I think. And I saw her for the first time yesterday in Morrison's. And then I've just got that book today. That is mental. That is some kind of synchronicity and it's really freaked me out. It is banana bread time. I'm taking a banana bread with me to Norfolk for the girls. I've got my little helper who just wants to play and is annoyed at me for not playing. The eggs are in. All of my forks are in the dishwasher, so I'm having to mush the banana with a knife, which is a little bit tricky, but we'll get there. All mushed. This is my favourite bit, putting all the chocolate chips and blueberries in. I'm just going to overload it. I'm just going to put the whole bag of the milk and the whole bag of dark in. Very chocolatey. Blueberries in.
I actually used this shade here, but as you can see, I've majorly hit that, so I'm going to
Whoa.
have to either
This is what I can see before.
My contour boobs hurt.
After. She's going to be so nice and chocolatey and blueberry.
That's where I was going.
Oh god, maybe a bit too much, but it's better to have too much than too little. There we have it, my banana bread before the oven. It is, what time is it? 11:45, so at about 1:45, probably be finished. Oh, now for the best bit. Best part of baking by far is eating the bowl. I'm going to change my outfit because this top keeps on falling down and my bottoms keep on falling down as well, so I just want to be comfy today since I'm going to be driving for like 3 hours. I'm just going to get, yeah, a different comfy outfit on. Oh my boy, it's just so unsettled because we've got the bathroom being done, so the stairs are out of action and he normally likes laying at the top of the stairs. He's just all not with it, are you boy? Just don't know what to do with yourself. We'll play in a minute, yeah? We'll play. I love you. I love you. I've just remembered that I haven't shown you my lash lift. Can you see that? They look really nice and long, don't they? I'm going to dye my brows now, so I have like a full, new, fresh face, basically. Okay, this is my eyebrows before. Because last time I did this, I didn't do a before clip. So I couldn't see the difference. Okay, so Laurie normally puts Vaseline around them, but I really can't bother to do that, so I'm not gonna. Will I regret that? Maybe. I feel like I need to get the edge of that. That's better. I think I said before, but it's beard dye that I use. I say that I use, this is my second time doing it. And it's Laurie's beard dye. I think that eyebrow's a bit thicker than the other one. Just need to clean that edge up. I think this is why Laurie puts Vaseline there. Makes sense, doesn't it? I was just being lazy. Now that should be fine. Not sure how long to leave it on for. Imagine if this was the finished look. Well, now we wait. I think I should have left the eyebrow dye on for a little bit longer. I don't think they've gone as dark as they did last time, or as much as I hoped. But I was getting really impatient because I wanted to play with doodles quickly before I leave. I've only got about 25 minutes left, so I just took them off, but that's a shame. They didn't give the effect that I was hoping for, but next time they will. We're playing ball balls. Right. Give me that ball. Ready? Go. Nelly. Good boy, bring it back. Come on. Ball balls, sit. Let me hold the ball. Paw. Other paw. Up. Up. High five. Good boy. Ready? Get it. Get your ball. Quick. Where's your ball? Oh, where are you going? You lost it? No, you've seen it. You see it? You crazy boy. Drop it. Drop. Drop it. I have to rugby tackle him. Ready? Go! You funny boy. It is an unbelievably beautiful day today. It genuinely feels like a summer's day, like I'm wearing a vest top and I'm hot. It feels like it's like the middle of August or something. It's lovely. Just gonna make Doodle some lunch. Otherwise he's gonna be hungry waiting for his dinner. Aren't you, darling? After running around out the front. He's not a massive fan of dry biscuits, so I mix it in with 1 sachet of wet food. And just do it like layers. Sort of like tricks him into thinking he's got wet food. Okay, I'm now in the car, ready to go to Norfolk, so I thought I would just end this vlog here. I know it's been a little bit shorter than my usual weekly vlogs, but I do hope you've enjoyed spending a week with me, and I'll see you next week for my Norfolk video. Bye!